There you go. She figured it out, and we're gonna make our way in. And look at that, right on there. And they spelled our name wrong on the TV. So you guys are coming in, you're welcome with the TV, and then you got your reservation name on there. Now ours is obviously spelled wrong because we don't have a double Z on the end of it. But this is a look at the actual rooms when you guys are making your way around. Let me turn some lights on because I haven't been in here since the remodel. Get some of these lights turned on for you. But this gives you guys an idea what you're looking for. You got your showers and stuff in here. And all the showers nowadays, they have these nice glass doors in all the all-star resorts. And all your soaps are right in there. You got your usual toilet area, guys. You got your vanity area. You've got your iron. You've got your hair dryer. You've got the ironing board. And you've got a little hanging station here. So this is pretty much what all the all-stars look like. If you guys remember, they used to have the carpeting and stuff. It used to be kind of themed a little bit music-y with everything around the top with the little the running board on top there, the wallpaper. That's long gone, and now you've got these bed setups here.
2 beds,
yep.
Just to show you. You pull these chairs out.
And as Morgan showed you guys,
you take
you're gonna grab
this
guy and
you're gonna pull this right on down. And you got a little picture behind it.
Yep, so this is, you got 2 different beds here. Even though we got the queen bed, it's actually got a double bed. So this is one of the beds in the wall, and then when you're done, it's gonna go right back up. Watch your fingers not to pinch them, guys.
Throw it back away.
And now you've got your table back out
Put
there.
your chairs back
there.
And you got your table.
And then you've got your, if you guys are doing any work and stuff like that, you've got the plugins for your iPhones and stuff like that. You've got your little bar here, your breakfast bar, your table. You've got your little refrigerator down below. You've got all your cups and stuff. And we'll give you guys one more peek before we end this video, what it looks like outside. We're gonna be back in, so we're gonna open that and lock, keep that lock open. But this is one more look outside.